Hi students, good morning all of you. Welcome to my channel. I am Sunil Naik. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe that. Today we are going to discuss about the HCF because in last video we have explained about the LCM. Now in this video in detail I am going to explain you the HCF, means that is highest common factor. Highest common factor is it is the greatest common factor of all the numbers. To find the highest common factor, what we have to find? Which is the greatest common factor. Okay friends, in this again two methods are there. Here methods for finding the HCF. To find the HCF, two methods are there. I will explain you two methods. You can choose which is easier and which is convenient to you, then you can follow that step. Okay friends, let us see the steps. The two steps are you can see here prime factorization method and division method. First one is prime factorization method and second one is division method. Two methods are there. In these two methods, any one method you can apply. So, first we will see that prime factorization method. Let us see that prime factorization method. In prime factorization method, how we can solve the HCF. Let us see here. Just I am going to take one example here, that is 4, 8 and 12. We have to find out the HCF of 4, 8 and 12 with prime factorization method. To find the prime factorization method, what we can do, let us see. We have to find the prime factors of the numbers separately. First, let us take first digit, that is 4. We have to find out the prime factors of 4. So, already 2 is the smallest prime number, we know that. So, from 2 it is divisible, so we have taken here 2. 2 2 is the 4. It is completely divisible. Now, what is this digit we have to observe, and we have to take here also 2. 2 ones are 2. Okay. Now, we have to find out the factors of 8. This is also even number, so you can take 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are. Until we will get 1, we have to continue. Now, next number is 12. We have taken here 12. 2 6s are 12 because in 2 table it is there. 2 3s are 6. Now, is it possible to take 3 in 2 table? No. For that reason, we have to take 3. 3 1s are 3. So, after this, we have to write the common factors. What we have to write here? The common factor. First, you list out the factors we got now. 4 is equals to 2 into 2, 8, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, and 12, 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. In this, we have to find out which are the common factors. See here, 2 is there in all these numbers. It is a common factor. One more 2 is there, it is also common. This should be in all 3 numbers. Don't think that only for 2 numbers we have that common, so we have taken. Don't take that. We have to find the common factors. So here we got only 2 digits. Now we have to write, we can write here common factors 2 into 2. How much answer? So at the end we can write, therefore the HCF of 4, 8 and 12. 4, 8 and 12 is equals to 4. Answer is 4. Like this, we have to find out. This is the prime factorization method. Okay friends, is it understood? One more time I will explain here. They have given here 4, 8 and 12, 3 digits. We have to find out the HCF of that. First, we have to make the common factors. Means we have to factorize with the help of the factorize method. We have to find the factors first. Like this. After this, we have to write all these factors. Again, at the end, we have to find the common factors. Which are the common factors? Then, we have to write that common factors. If there is only one common factor, that is the answer. But we have got here 2 common factors. So, again, we have to multiply the both numbers. So, we got answer 4. Now, this is about the prime factorization method. Now, I am going to explain you how we can do in the division method. If you have not written this one, please pause the video and you can write down this one. So after finding the prime factorization method, I think you know that prime factorization method, how to find out the HCF. Now I will explain you how to find out the HCF with the help of division method. Okay. Already you know that division, how to do division. If you know division properly, then only you can do this method. Let us say, I will write here one question. Find the HCF of 45 and little bit a big number we will take 45 and 108. Okay friends, can you see this question? We have to find out the HCF of 45 and 108 with the help of division method. Here concentrate only on division method, not about the factorization method. Here in these two numbers we have to observe which is big number first. So in 45 and 108 is the greater number. So we have to take that 108 here and we have to divide with the smallest number here, which is the small number 45. So here, first step this one. We have to take greater number here, we have to take smaller number here. So before that we have to find out, we have to recognize that which is greater number. So here in 45 table, is it 108 is there, we have to check 45 ones are 45, 45 twos are 90. But where 3s are again it will come greater than this one, so we can take here 45 twos are 90. So here 8 as it is, 10 ones 9, 1 and carry 1 and 0. So we got here 18. After this, what we have to do? In this 18 and 45, just we have to check 45 and 18. Which is the greatest number? 45 is big number. So we have to divide 18 by 45. Here. So in 18 table, is it there 45? No. So for that reason, we can check that 18 was 18, 18 to the 36, 18 3 again it is 54. So we can take 18 2 here. It is 36. So 15 minus 6, it becomes 9. Carry 1 and 4 minus 4, it becomes 0. So we got here 9 and 18. Now in 18 and 9, which is big number? 18 is big number. So again we have to divide 18 divided by 9. In 9 table, is it there 18? 9 to the 18. So 8 minus 8 0, 1 minus 1 0. If you get here 0, if the remainder is 0, then that dividend from which number you have divided, that number is said to be HCF of that number. For example, this. Actually, this is the answer for that one. Now we can write here, therefore, HCF of 45 and 108 is, what is the answer? How much answer you got here? 9. This is the division method. Let me explain one more time quickly. See here, we have to compare the numbers. They may give 3 numbers, 4 numbers also. Yeah, here they have given 2 numbers. I have compared. So in 45 and 108, 108 is a greater number. So we have to divide 108 divided by 45. Next, after doing this one, how much your remainder you are getting? 18. Again, we have to compare this and this number. Next, again divided, we have got this 9. Again, we have to compare here this number and this number, and we have to divide. If the remainder is 0, at that time which number is there now? From which number we have divided, that is number is called answer. So answer is 9. This is how to find out the HCF by division method. Okay friends, let us say here, after explaining that factorization method and division method, now I have written here one more question. Listen it carefully, because this question I will explain you both methods. Again, you can decide which method you want to do. So here, first I will make a column. Means one side I will do prime factorization method, another side I will do division method. First I will do prime factorization method. Okay, in prime factorization method, what we have to take? Both numbers we have to take. Okay, students. First, let us find that prime factors of 24. So, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 12s are 24. 2 6s are 12. Here again 2 3s are 3 1s are. So, we got here the prime factors of 24. Now, let us see the prime factors of 30 here. Because the number is 0 and it's dual, so we can take 2 is here, 2 15s are. So is it possible to divide 15 with 2? No. So we have to take 3. 3 5s are 15. If it is not there in 3, again you have to go for 4. If it is not there in 4, you have to go for 5. But we have to concentrate that number should be prime, means 4 is not prime, so we should not take. We have to take 3, 5, 7 like this. So 5 is prime number, so directly you can take 5 also 5. Now we have to list out these factors. 24, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. All these factors we have to list out, and we have to list out the factors of 30 also, and factors of 30 also. 2 into 3 into 5. Now see the common factors. Is there any common factors? So 2 is there, common. 2 is there, and here also 3 is there, and here also 3 is there. So we can take this 3. This as a common. So we have to write here 2, 3. 2 and 3 are the common factors here. After that we have to multiply. So what is the HCF here? 6. Now we got answer HCF 6 with the help of prime factorization method. Now let us see that in division method, same sum we are going to do division method. Let us see answer will become 6 or not. Then you will be more confident regarding that. Now we will see that division method. From division method we have to find out the HCF of 34 and 30. 24 and 30. So first step in division method is we have to compare the numbers, means which is greater. So in this 24 and 30, which is greater? 30 is a greater number. So 30 we have to take here, and we have to divide with 24. Is it possible to divide 30 completely with 24? No. So we can take nearest number, that is 24 ones are 24. 10 minus 4, it's become 6, carry 3 minus 3, 0. Now next step is in the 6 and 24. 6 and 24, which is greater number? 24 is greater number. So we have to take 24 divided by 6. This number we have to take here down. Simple method. This number we have to shift. In 6 table, is it there 24? Yes, it is there. 6 how much are 24? 6 4s are 24. So now we got here remainder 0. So this we have to take as an answer. So HCF, we can write HCF of 24 and 30 is 6. Here we got here 6 in prime factorization method. In division method you can see it 6. Only one thing is you have to choose which method is easy and which is relevant for you, and you have to practice the both methods so that it will be very convenient and very easy to you. So students, practice some more sums like this. Both methods you practice, and in nowadays also they are going to ask one question regarding this LCM and HCF. In the next video I am going to teach you with the mixture of the LCM and HCF, that some formulas are there. Okay, until then keep watching my YouTube video. Thank you.